Hi everybody, thanks for clicking on this video. Some of you guys wanted an unboxing of my new laptop. So I am here to do that for you. I got this 2 days ago. Did I get it Friday? I got it Friday. Today's Saturday. What am I talking about? But I could not wait to open it. So maybe that's why it felt like longer than it has been. So I was searching for a while for what laptop I thought was going to be best for me. And I needed something that had a lot of RAM, which would allow me to do multiple things at once. I needed something that was going to be fast. And I really wanted a 2-in-1, which I don't know how new these are, but they're new to me. So it's the laptop that can turn into a tablet. So I'm excited to see what it looks like and to start using it. I did get one that is open box. I can't do a straight line if my life depended on it. That might be because that's not where you're supposed to cut it from. Okay, here we go. Now, they just left this on my front doorstep, and thank God I was working from home that day because it wasn't wrapped in anything but this. And most people know that Lenovo is a computer. I don't know if everybody is. It's not super popular, but all right, baby out. So this laptop is actually an open box, and it was in excellent condition. So I've purchased things like this before, and I haven't had any issues thus far, fingers crossed, but I did buy a 2-year warranty along with it. And I read the fine print. The warranty covers a lot of things. This is my warranty. These are just instructions. All right, now for the important part. Oh my God. It's a little heavy. It's a little heavy. But let me see. This is my tablet. This is the tablet that I had. My mom got this for me a long time ago. So it's a tablet, but it comes with a keyboard. But the thing about this one is, first of all, it doesn't work that much anymore. It's really slow. And second, it's not the same thing as Windows computer, things that you can do with a Windows computer. So it's just a tablet. A tablet is just like a big phone. But this is an actual computer. Oh my God. Okay, I'm excited. Let me see. How do I turn it on? That might be important. Here. There it is. Maybe I need to charge it. But at least what I like is it's full screen. Oh, there it is. It's a full screen. It's not like, where it has a border around it. I like that so I can see everything. And let me see if I can flip it. I can. Oh my God. I love it. I'm excited. I really like this. I like this. So if I just want to use it as a tablet, I could just use it like this. But if I want to flip it and use it as computer because I need to do something for school, this is perfect. And this will be good for if I just want to scroll or shop, or hopefully I'm not doing much of that, but I'm excited. So this is, if you're interested, the Lenovo Yoga 7i 14-inch 2K touchscreen 2-in-1. Okay, so if you're interested in that, that's what this is. So I'll give you guys an update and let you know how I like it. I'll probably start using it tomorrow because I have an assignment due. I'm excited. I think I might have to purchase some Microsoft or Word or Adobe things in order to use it how I want to, but we'll see. Maybe I can just get that through school. I don't know. So if anybody knows how that works, let me know. But I'm definitely going to be playing with it tonight, and I'm excited about it. So I'm going to charge it up. Not tonight, tomorrow. I'm going to charge it up. I'll let you guys know how I like it after I've used it maybe for a couple weeks, so I can find out, pros and cons about it, and I'll be back. Let me know if there's any questions you guys have about this particular tablet or how it works. I got mine from Dell.com, And it was originally, the product itself is originally $8.99, but I got it for $5.99 because it was open box. But now the only open box that's left is also $800. So I think I got a really good deal. I was looking at it for a long time. I compared it to lots of different things. I used ChatGPT to compare it to a lot of different brands and, you know, price ranges that were similar. And this won out of so many times for what I was looking for. So, and it has like up to 1 terabyte of memory. So I can record videos for a very long time and I can store it all on here. So I'm so excited. I haven't had a new laptop in years. Like the desktop I was using, even the desktop I was using is like beginning of COVID old, and even then it was like from like 1990. So I don't do things for myself often. I'll probably give that tablet to my daughter. I don't know. We'll see how that goes, or if she wants something new. But I needed this for school and for YouTube, so I'm very excited. I can't wait to see what I'm able to bring you guys now that I have, a product that actually works. All right. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. Hopefully you guys come back for more of my budget videos. I also share my YouTube journey with you so you can see how things will change. Maybe things will get better. I'm also in a new office, so hopefully the lighting is much better. I can tell just by looking at it that the lighting is much better. Hopefully you guys can tell too. But thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. Hope to see you next time. Bye.
Windows plus Control plus Enter. For more accessibility features, press Windows plus U, or select the accessibility icon in the bottom corner.
It's talking to me.